Roof is one of the most expensive and important parts of our house. After all, pinipigilan ito ang pagpasok ng tubig sa ilalim ng ating bahay para maiwasan masira ang ating mga kagamitan at ang ating roofing structures. Kaya nagkakaroon ng roofing replacement. And roof replacement is the process of tearing of old roofs and replacing the new one. Pero marami pa tayo kailangang malaman dahil kung hindi maganda pakabaklas at paka-install ng ating bubong, maaring magkakaroon ulit tayo ng matinding problema, and in a long run, it will lead to repairs and maintenance, and that is more expensive. In this video, I'm going to share with you kung paano nga ba ang tamang pagbaklas at pag-install ng ating bubong. Hey everyone! I'm Paul Castillo of Caspar Roofing Channel, and we're teaching installation videos and detailed guides to home and property owners all about roofing. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming channel, ang Caspar Roofing Channel. Tip number 1, inspect our roofing condition. Una, kailangan tingnan natin yung ating bubong kung ang original color niya ay nawawala na at yung base metal ay lumalabas at nagkakaroon na siya ng corrosion. Ito yung sinasabi na yung roofing natin ay in 20 years wala siyang maintenance. Pangalawa, check natin yung mga tech screw kung ito ay mga nakaangat na at kinakalawang. Pangatlo, kung paulit-ulit nating nire-repair yung ating bubong at hindi nawawala yung tulo, kailangan na nga ba talaga siyang palitan? Lalo na kung ang mga kisame ay may mga damage na at ang ating roofing structures. So wag na nating antayin na mas malaki pa yung madadamage ng ating bubong. Pero pag tinignan mo sa labas, okay pa, no? No? Ayan, no? Tingnan mo sa labas, okay pa. Pero pag nasa ilalim yan, nga. Ayan, no? Bulok na. Tip number 2, measure the entire roof. Measure the length and the width of our entire roof and use long metal tape para mabilis ang pagsukat at para maiwasan yung pagkakamali ng pagtutotal at para maiwasan yung tapon at siguradong eksakto ang ating materyales na darating. Please visit www.casparroofing.ph or Caspar Steel Roofing Incorporated in our Facebook page. And remember, if you want strong, durable, and built to last, all you have to do is raise the roof.